In this video, I'll walk you through converting complex Excel calculations and formulas into APIs. Here, we have a shipping calculator in Excel with 3 inputs: origin zip code, destination zip code and weight, and 1 output, shipping cost. The shipping cost is calculated using various Excel formulas and lookup tables across multiple worksheets. To prepare the file, make sure all input and output cells are properly named. For instance, the cell for origin zip is labeled as such, as are destination zip, weight, and the output cost. Next, we'll switch to SpreadsheetWeb to publish this Excel file as an API. If you don't already have a SpreadsheetWeb account, you can create a free one at SpreadsheetWeb.com. Once logged in, select Create New Application. Drag and drop the Excel file, then hit Create and choose Web Service to publish the file as an API. You'll be prompted to test the API using the API Toolkit. Select Yes. In the toolkit, the left panel displays the calculation request, while the right shows the calculation response along with input and output selection options. Add inputs by selecting origin zip, destination zip, and weight. For the output, select cost. As inputs and outputs are added, the calculation request is updated. Although all values start as null, you can either manually enter them or load default values from the Excel file. Here, I'll load defaults, then click Calculate. Upon calculation, the API returns the response, showing a calculated shipping cost of $8.58. If we adjust the weight to 10 and recalculate, the updated shipping cost becomes $15.21. This method allows easy API testing. You can also perform the same process in Postman. The API Toolkit includes an Export to Postman feature. Simply export, open Postman, and drag the collection file into a new request. Click Send, and the API returns the response. You can modify inputs and send again, with the calculations performed on the server and the shipping cost returned in the response. This approach offers 2 main benefits. First, it eliminates the need to code the entire business logic within an Excel-based calculator. Second, it saves time on updates. When business units update data and formulas in the Excel file, simply update the file for the API, allowing you to keep the same code intact.